Morning, students. Uh, Today's our topic is about perimeter and area of closed shapes. So we'll be looking for finding a perimeter and area of closed shapes. So let's check it out. Uh, First of all, we'll be looking for the perimeter. What I mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the outer boundary length of any closed shape.
Length of any closed shape.
Yes, good. So that's why we are finding perimeter, and there's a shape. You can see this is a right triangle and there are three outer closed shapes. So that's why our perimeter will be of this A, perimeter uh, equal to A plus other side B plus, and the third side, outer side, this is C. So that's why plus C.
Then we will
So
plus all the sides
yeah,
and we will be.
yes. So that's why our calculation is easy. We have done it previously, so we are going as a revision. Similarly, this is a perimeter line, triangle, and here we could see that perimeter is A plus B plus H, which is wrong because H is internal side, interior, not outer. So that's why we will not be calculating. Similarly, if someone is writing A plus B plus B plus H, this is also wrong because we are including all sides and including internal. So interior is not included in perimeter. So that's why this is also wrong. So the only perimeter is outer side, which is equal to A plus B and plus B the third side. And in this one, two sides are equal. This is an example of isosceles triangle. So that's why our calculation is like this, and we can add these numbers, and we can have the answer of 20.8 millimeter. Because the question was in millimeters, so the answer will also be in millimeter. But before going forward, I would like to share one thing here and one thing with the previous example. In the previous example, let me show the previous page as well. Let me show this one, this page where we were looking for this one, and this is 2.45 2.47. How we are adding? 8.5 is the number, 4.4 is the number, 9.57 is the number. So how will be adding? We'll be adding like the like, let me show you the way out that how we'll be adding manually. How are we doing? We'll be writing 8.5 and 4.4 decimal under the decimal. And similarly for the third one, we'll be putting decimal under the decimal, and then we'll be writing 9.5 and 7. Now you can see that this is a number and there are some numbers missing. There's a zero or blanks are there, so blanks will be filled by 0, and then now we could calculate, and if we'll calculate this becomes 7, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, so we'll be taking 4 and carrying forward 1, but decimal under the decimal, same decimal location, same decimal location, same decimal location, and same decimal location. And then we'll be adding these numbers. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. So that's why our answer is 422.47. So this is the way you will adding the number. This, you must not make any mistake about it. Okay. Similarly, we have done this, and here you could also see there are some decimal number, and you have to add decimal under the decimal. What about the other number? So let's check it out again. This one, this is 4.8 and 8 and 8. So how will be adding it out? So let's check it out. Uh, we'll be doing like this, that we have a number 4.8, and about the other number, if there is 8 and having no decimal point, it means it is 8.0. Similarly, 8 means 8.0. So that's why our numbers are, other numbers are 8.0 and 8.0, and decimal under the decimal, and then we'll be adding decimal under the decimal, and 8, and then 8 plus 8, 16 plus 20, so
So 20.8.
20.8. Yes, well done. So like this we'll be doing calculation, okay? So you must remember that in addition to subtraction, you must put decimal under the decimal. Now come to the next one. In this one, you can see a rectangular shape, but this is a combination of two rectangles. So there are some sides are missing. So you should check out that this side is missing and this side is missing. So how will we calculate it? This side will be calculating because this is a horizontal side. So horizontal side will be find by getting the help of other horizontal side. There are two horizontal side as well. This is the total horizontal side, which is of 12 centimeter. So I'm taking this here, and there's another small piece of horizontal side. I'm taking this side here. So now this is 12 centimeters. This side is 5. So it means this could be finding out by subtracting 5 centimeters from total. So we can get this one. So that's why our answer will be of 12 minus 5 is equal 7 centimeters. Similarly, if you want to know about this side, we'll be finding the total length of vertical side. So there is a total vertical is 9 centimeters. So that's why I'm taking this 9 centimeter here. And similarly, the other vertical side is this one. So I'm taking this 3 centimeter here. So now we can calculate that this will be the subtraction of 9 minus 3 to get this side. So that's why 9 minus 3 is equal 6 centimeter. So now we find out this side and this side. So all sides are given now. So now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter is the outer boundary. So that's why 3 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. So we have the perimeter. Hope you understand this one. Similarly, and this is the square shape. In square shape, all sides are equal. First of all, we must know about square, that square has all sides equal. So if one side is 15, so other side will also be of 15. So that's why we have written all the sides 15. Similarly, if this was 34, the rest was if this was the 34, so then the rest sides are of 34 as well. So that's why if this A part, the perimeter is 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, 4 times 15, and this is equal to 60 centimeter, and this is also 34 plus 34, 4 times 34, or 136 centimeter. Similarly, this is an equilateral triangle. Why equilateral triangle? Because all sides are of equal length, because this length is showing that this is equal. This smaller lengths are showing that these lines are equal. So that's why we'll be taking, if this is 8 centimeter, the other side will also be 8 centimeter. In the next example, you can change 4.5. So the other side will also be of 4.5 centimeter. So now in example A, you can see that perimeter is 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is equal 24 centimeter. And the next example is perimeter is 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5, as well as this is our adding this number, we have the centimeter. Now in this example, you have isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, so there is smaller line and a smaller line, so it means these two sides are equal. So that's why isosceles triangle, we know that two sides are equal, so that's why we have this side equal. Similarly, in other shape, you have seen this is 7 centimeters, so this side will also be of 7 centimeters. So that's why this one. Now we'll be adding the sides. 14 plus 22 plus 22, and this is the calculation. And similarly for the other one, we have the calculation and we get the answer. In this example, perimeter, now you can see that this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, not the other sides are given, but this is rectangle, so in rectangle other sides are equal. So that's why this is also 8 centimeters, so this is also 8 centimeter. And if this is x, the other side will also be x centimeter. Now we'll be adding these all. We say that perimeter is x plus 8 plus 8 is equal perimeter. But we know that this is perimeter length. So in place of perimeter, we'll be writing 26. So x plus 8 plus 8 is equal 26. So now 2x plus 8, because x variable will be added with variable, number will be added with number. So 2x plus 8, 16 is equal to 26. Now we don't need this one, so we'll be subtracting. So that's why 26 plus 18 minus 16 plus 20 is equal to 26 minus 18. We'll be doing subtracting on both sides. So that's why 2x is equal 16, 10, and then we'll be dividing by 2 to get rid of this 2, and that's why our answer will be of x is equal 5 centimeter. So how can you understand? Now in this shape, this is a perimeter which is of 20 centimeter, but one side is given and this is square shape. A square shape means all sides then will be equal. So that's why rest of the side will also be x. So that's why our answer will be the sum of these sides, which is perimeter. And we know that the perimeter length is given 20 centimeters. So in place of this perimeter, we will write 20. So 4x will be equal to 20. So that's why we'll be dividing 4x by 4 to get rid of this 4. So that's why x will be equal to 5 centimeters. This will be your answer. Now in this perimeter, in this example, you can see a isosceles triangle, because this is isosceles triangle because two lines are giving smaller line. So it means these two lines are equal. So if this is 9 centimeter, so the other smaller line side will also be of 9 centimeter. So now perimeter will be of x plus 9 plus 9 outer boundary line, but perimeter is given, so that's why we'll be in place of perimeter we'll be writing 25 centimeter. So x plus 18 is equal to 25, and then we'll be solving this one and we'll be getting the answer. Similarly, in this one again, isosceles triangle. So this is smaller side is x, the smaller line side is x. So the other smaller line side will also be x. So that's why x plus 35 is equal to perimeter, but the perimeter is also already given. So in place of this, we'll be writing perimeter 79, and that then we'll be calculating the number and we'll be solving the solution, and we'll be getting the solution like this, and the value of x is found. Now in this one, perimeter is 36, but the other side, none of the side is given. So we'll be assuming if one side is x, then all the other sides will be equal to x, because this is smaller lines are all around there. So if this is x, this is x, this is also will x. So that's why we'll be writing x, x, and x, and then the perimeter will be easy. So that perimeter is x plus x plus x. So, but perimeter is already given. Its value is given. So that's why in place of perimeter we'll be writing 36, and 3x will be equal to 36. Now we don't need 3. We'll be dividing it by 3 to get rid of this 3, and to make it balance, we'll be dividing by 3 on the other side. And this one gives us x is equal 12 centimeters. So this one is 12, this one is 12, and this one is 12. Similarly, this one is example. This is about advanced perimeter side, and there are sides length is given. So we'll be adding these all sides. So we'll be adding x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 is perimeter. But the perimeter length is given, which is of 17 centimeters. So in place of perimeter, we'll be writing 17. So x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 is 17. Now rearranging variables one side and number on other side will be back in groups. X plus x plus x and plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, and then x plus x will become 3x, and 1 plus 3 plus 4 will become 8. So 3x plus 8 is equal 17, but we don't need this 8, so subtracting x plus 8 minus 8 to make it balance. On the other side minus 8, and we'll be solving this number and we get the value of x. Now the value of x this, but we can get this side length as 3x plus 1 means 4 centimeters, and 4 meter, because this is in meter, so this will be a 4 meter. X plus 3 means 3 plus 3 means 6 meter, and x plus 4 means 3 plus 4 is 7 meters. So like this you have to calculate as well. Now area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, there's a formula that triangle formula includes base and height. So you must remember that area of a triangle is 1/2 into base into height. So none of the other side is included. Our area includes only two sides. One is the base and one is the height. If this is not the base and if we are taking other side as base, if I am taking this side base, the vertical side will be the height. So that's why this vertical side will be the height. So this is base and this will be height of this triangle. Area formula will be the same. Now if we consider the other side as base, so its perpendicular height will be the height. This will not be height, B will not be height, A will not be height. The new length will be the height, which is the perpendicular and reaching to the top of the triangle. So this will be the height and this will be the base. So that this we will calculate. So now in this example, you can see if this is a base, then this will be height. So that's why this is a base and this will be the height. So now we will calculate. Will not be including C or this value. This is just for making us confused. Will not be including. So now we'll be passing the values in it and its value, which is 8.5 is value, and then we'll calculate its 18.7 centimeter square. So you must remember that in perimeter we are writing just centimeter, but in area we'll be writing centimeter square because we are multiplying two sides. So multiplying by centimeter will give us centimeter square. So remember, square area is centimeter square, meter square, millimeter square, kilometer square, like these types of measurement. And here we'll be looking for the base and the height. This is the height. So we'll not be including other two sides. Okay. So that's why we'll not be including this one, and then we'll be applying formula and we'll be putting the values of this, and we have the result of it. Okay, and this was millimeter, so that's why our answer is millimeter square. Now come to this side, A, B, C, and H. So we'll need only two sides. One is the base and one is the height. So this is the base and this is the height. So that's why we'll be only including this, and rest of the side will not be included. So that's why our formula is there, and we'll apply a formula and we'll be having the answer. Now in this one, you can see base is given, which is here, and height is given. So we'll be placing this one as, is this a height? Yes, this is a height because this is reaching to the top of the triangle. So that's why we'll be including this only two sides. So that's why our area is like this, and we have inches square because this was an inch. So this answer is an inch square. Now this is a triangle, but here's a little bit technical. So you can see this is a base. And the height, why it is height? Because this is from the base length, base ground, it's at the top of the triangle. So that's why this will be considered as height. So sometimes height is inside the triangle and sometimes height might be outside of the triangle, and this shows the base length till the edge, top edge of the triangle. Okay. So this is the vertical perpendicular height. Okay, so that's why our area is like this, and we have the answer. Now look for the next one, area of rectangle. In this one, you can see there are rectangles, and here you can see there are two rectangles. Though sometimes shapes are composite shapes, and there are two types of rectangles. So in this one, rectangles and rectangle sides are given, so opposite side will be equal. So that's why if this is 4, the other side will be equal to 4. And what about this one? This is not given, this total is given, so we'll be taking the same technique which we have done previously. So I'm taking this 16 centimeter here, and this is here. So now this will be calculated by 16 minus 4 will be getting this side. So 16 minus 4 is equal 12 centimeter. So this 12 centimeter is the length of two sides, all two sides. And this is why we have the perimeter, this one, both the sides. Now we'll be finding the area of these two sides. So area of this is equal to base into height and length into breadth, length into breadth. So that's why our area is length into breadth of this and length into breadth of this. And that's why 12 multiplied by 4 plus 20 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 168 centimeters square. So like this, you may calculate the area. Now perimeter is 28 and length is not given. So first we'll be finding the length, and we'll be saying that these are the x. And if these are the x, so it means First, we'll be applying the perimeter formula because the hint is given about perimeter. They are asking about area, but with the help of this hint, will be leading towards the length, and then length will give us to apply the formula. So that's why all the lengths are perimeter, and perimeter is 18, 28. So that's why h plus is equal to 28. 4x is 28. So it means x is equal 7. Now, if x is 7, so it means this is 7, this is 7, so area will be equal to length multiplied by length. So that's why area is equal to 7 multiplied by 7, which is equal 49 centimeter square. Okay. Similarly, this one is, you can see that this is 15 centimeter, and this is not given, so we'll be assuming this side as x and other side as 15, because this is 15, this is also 15. So that's why our perimeter is x plus 15 plus 15, because though we are finding area, but we'll be leading starting from perimeter hint. So we'll be applying perimeter formula and then perimeter value, and then we'll be solving this one, and then we'll be getting that this is 20x, 2x is equal to 12, and x is equal 6 centimeter. Now x is 6, so it means area is 12 multiplied by base multiplied by height, which is 15 multiplied by 2. So that's why length into breadth, which is equal to 15 multiplied by 6. So the area is this. Okay. Now this is all about today's lesson. And if you have any confusion about this, you may let me know. Thank you very much for today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.